my name is Crystal and I'm back with a new video. Hi guys! So today I'm actually here to do a video that was actually requested by one of my subscribers. Someone actually commented on my Peri Para Ink Velvet video to do a eye makeup tutorial on how I did it. So I think the person is sushiforxuxi. I don't know how to pronounce your name, dear. I'm so sorry, but with a UWU behind. Sweetie, we don't UWU on this channel. Whoever UWUs in general is disgusting. No, I'm just kidding. I just have a personal dislike, hatred. Another house rule, not house rule, admin stuff, I guess I would say, or like my schedule for my next video. I actually wanted to do a Kaleidos video, and I told in my previous video saying that I will actually like put that video on hold because I wanted to order more stuff, but because of the latest Wuhan virus, I'm scared. I know they say that the virus itself can't really transfer or like stay on non-living things like just materials in general, but at the same time I wouldn't want to, like risk my life for the sake of saving a few dollars. I think I can just purchase the other 2 palettes or 1 palette when I have time or when everything is settled down. So yeah, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I do videos about K-beauty, cosmetics in general, occasional skincare here and there. And yeah, please also comment and like as well, because like it really does help my channel out a lot. I recently actually gained quite a number of subscribers. I know 235 subscribers isn't much, but to me I think it's a lot. So thank you guys so much for all your support and all your kind words. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, to the girls who have wispy bangs, right? How do y'all curl your bangs? Because for the love of God, I can't curl my bangs at all. Because whenever I do it, it's like, it turns out like curly fries, like really curly, and it's like, sometimes it's too jarring. I don't know, am I using the 2 small ones? And you can see, I always have this excess bit, always, so, oh gosh. This is really bad, isn't it? Like this is still okay, like, I don't know. Should I use like a bigger roller? I bought a set from Ministore like this, and it has like this is the smallest one, there's a medium one, there's a big one. I don't know. I don't know what's the size I should be using, that's the thing. Okay, so, alright, so here's the thing. Most of the products that I actually use are actually from Colourpop. And as you know, Colourpop, they always love to discontinue things, and unfortunately, some of the stuff that I've used are actually discontinued, but you can always dupe them rather easily. So I'm just going to show it to you guys. Alright, so I have the thumbnail here, which is here. Hello, my face. I know, catfish, right? Woo! As you can see, there's actually like a blue liner over there, and the blue liner, I actually used this from Colourpop. Is the Colourpop BFF Creme Gel Liner. This is in the shade DTLA, as you can see. And unfortunately, this is discontinued unless you buy it in like a pack or something like that. I can't really remember. So it's basically like a deep gray. And with this deep blue kind of color. So it's like that. And I'm gonna swatch it for you guys over here. Oh, that's a bad swatch. Can see it's like a very deep navy blue, and the reason why I got this was actually I wanted to try and play with color a little bit more, so that's the reason why. It's a deep navy blue, and I think it's quite interesting. It's kind of a bit grayish at the same time, so it's not too bad. And then as you can see from the thumbnail over here, just the general like eyeshadow, the lid space is actually a bit orangey, wettish orange. Like kind of an orangey shimmer kind of color. And I actually use this Colourpop SuperShockShadow. It's in the shade Sundance. This is actually my first SuperShockShadow, and it's my favorite SuperShockShadow, and it got discontinued. Ugh. Man, a lot of things that I love are getting discontinued, and I know how Samantha Ravendorf feels. Jesus Christ. So how am I gonna start it off now is actually I'm just gonna put a bit of eyeshadow primer on my lids. So this is the Proof 10 Etude House eyeshadow primer. You can tell mine is pretty old, the writing is all smudged off. So it's a simple doe foot applicator. Doesn't really have much of a tint to it. So what I did next was actually to take this Sundance color, put it all over my lid, and I'm just gonna take it on the fourth finger. You can tell it's a very, ooh, look at that, it's really nice. So all you need to do is just take your fourth, I nearly pointed my third finger, the fourth finger, and just, you know, go over like that. That's the eyelid color, I guess. And now we're going into the part where it's the blue liner. So the blue liner, what you're gonna do is, okay, I'm gonna come closer. Blue liner, what you're gonna do is, gonna take the blue liner, this one over here, and you're just gonna make it as close as possible to your lash line. So you can see there's a little bit of blue around there. So as you can see, this blue liner, you can kind of tell it's there, but when you look at the picture itself, which I'll put over here, it's kind of like smoked out. So what I'm going to do now is taking a very, very defined brush, something like this. This type of pointed tip brush. This is the Colourpop E10. So what I'm gonna do now is actually I'm gonna take it on a clean one and just slowly buff it out and smoke it out like that. So when you smoke it out by the you know, the line, the top part of the line, so by the edges of it, and you can start to see the blue starting to come out a little bit more. So it looks something like that, yes. It looks something like that, and you can tell it's a really, really nice blue. So yeah, this is the blue color look, smoky blue color gradient look. To be fair, when I filmed that video, it was like I had the whole day of work and it kind of, you know, smudged a little bit everywhere else, so yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm just watching through the video that I did as well, because to be honest, I did this video like quite a while back. I don't really remember what exact products or steps that I actually did, but I have like a rough gauge. So the next thing is that because now you have like a cream liner over here and you don't really want it to smudge, so what you would do next is actually take powder to set it down. So I'm gonna take this Dream Street palette. This is like a navy teal kind of color, which is this one over here, this color. This is the shade Water Barrel. To be honest, you can take any color. I know it's a bit off, like from this navy color to this teal turquoise color, but it actually sets down everything. So you wouldn't want the thing to like move around or smudge around, because to be honest, I do not own a blue shade like this blue liner. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna stick it to make it really the nearest to like my lash line. At the same time, I'm just gonna start smoking it lower, a little bit lower. So you have that little bit of blue at the lower lash line at the same time. I'm gonna take a brown liner. This is the Play 101 pencil. It's just a regular brown liner, yeah. And I'm just gonna almost like tight line my eyes a little bit. So yeah, that's about it. This is that blue smoky liner that y'all saw on that day. So that's all. Mascara I use is actually the Etude House, the Etude House Curl Fix Mascara. So the current one I've been using is this Lash Superproof Mascara Long Curling. This is a very popular mascara. It kind of like makes your lashes, like its name suggests, make it look very long, but it actually separates the lashes really well. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put my mascara on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just did my brows and my eyes and I just did my brows and mascara and actually put some concealer underneath my eyes, and and this is the final look. I don't know if you can see it. I guess it really does make your eyes look really big, and I guess it's a pop of color, so yeah. Okay, so now I've done both sides of my face, the brows and the eyes, and if you compare it to the previous video, I realized that it wasn't as smoky as this, but at the same time, when I filmed that video, it was pretty late at night already. Somehow I had just came back from intern, so it was the whole day at the office, 9 to 6, that kind of thing. So yeah. But this is the look. I think it wasn't as smoky as this. I probably downplayed it a little bit more, but I think this is my version of a smoky blue eye if you're interested. For now, I'm actually just gonna add one more thing, which is actually just to add some contour, like light brown kind of color onto the under eye, because I feel like there's a lot of blue right now and I just want to smoke it out just like a little bit. So I'm just adding like this type of contour kind of shade, and then I'm just diffusing it onto my lower lash line where the blue and the skin meets. And since I feel like my inner corners, they're kind of a little bit dark caused by the blue, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little ring, the last pink, not ring finger, where was the ring finger, the last one? I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna pop it in my inner corner just to brighten it up ever so slightly. I'm just gonna pull it slightly inwards. So I'm just kind of deviating from the actual tutorial itself. Good God, but yeah, this is the final look for the eyes at least. Just gonna pop on a lip and I'll be right back again. Guys, I took out my roller and this is what I have.
No, 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 no.
I think that's all for today's video. So yeah, thank you once again to sushiforxuxi or Xuxi. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm so sorry, my dear. But yeah, I really enjoyed recreating this look. So thank you for suggesting this to me. I actually really enjoyed it, and you know, makes me kind of want to like play with color more, maybe with like the liner, because you know, a lot of makeup nowadays are like very neutral, basic, and I think I really enjoyed, you know, recreating this look, a little bit smoky, a little bit boom kind of thing. So yeah, thank you once again, and thank you everyone for supporting me. Just if you watched till the end of the video, wow, you stuck along for a very long time. I'm so sorry if I bored you to death. But yeah, I really enjoyed this look. So YouTube nowadays has been more of like an outlet for me to you know, kind of relieve my stress and you know, distract myself from a lot of family stuff. So I don't know why am I randomly saying this, but thank you so much to everyone who has supported me, be it my teachers, my friends, like my family as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.